bread, finally. And guys, this is our haul. Even you can go on our TikToks too, Kiking5.
Yeah.
And you can see it on
Look at
our
the
two.
things I got.
Two.
First I got
First.
this.
Can go first.
First thing I show you this. Next thing I show you my tangle. That when you touch it, it lights up.
Really cool.
It don't break. And I got this like little puppet.
Yeah, mini puppet's cool. Sarah really wants to pop it.
Oh, it's my little baby.
Fidgets. And she got that too. Is it my turn now? Yeah. Okay. So first I got this.
needle.
That's for my mom because sometimes she gets freaked out about things. So yeah. So first I got this cute little puppet.
Whoa,
That's cool. And next I got a food needle fruit. They're really cool there, guys. So first is a strawberry one. That's really cool. Next is a banana one, my favorite. And next is an orange.
Can I find the banana?
It feels like the same ones. Now give me.
Yeah. I'll give this banana.
And the last is a pea pod, or you can call it pea popper. So look, it's so cute. That one, did you?
Yeah, she did. Can't find it.
Maybe.
Guys, I got it. This really good ball that I'm opening right now. Oh my god, it's so good. And I got it this gumball that is literally like the goodest thing ever. It's better than a needle, this gumball. It is so good. This is the last. And I got it the other puppet because you know I love puppets.
A puppet lover.
Puppet lovers. I always wanted the circle one. And these are so sticky. They're like wobbles. This is like wobbles. And I didn't know. These are like wobbles, guys, but they're not. These are little puppies. This is so good. I got a two marble and look at these things. They're so sticky. And look at this. I also got up here. These are all. Do you want to feel my sticky doggies? Do you want to feel my doggies? They're so sticky. Can I see
What is this for you?
They'll feel the same.
Uzi.
Wait, can I see
Woozy
this?
thing.
Uzi.
Oh, this is cool.
Wait,
Wait, it can maybe stick in the wall. It's really sticky.
yeah.
It's like it's like it's needles, but sticky.
Can you? So they are sticky.
I'm so confident.
I wish I got it all of yours guys too. Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god.
Pop, pop, pop.
Whoa. Bye guys.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna
So
relax with
squishy.
this thing. It's
It's
awesome.
Banana squishy. I love it. I love it.